Can you find foods from many different countries where you live?
Yes, the city where I live, you can find restaurants and food outlets offering cuisines from different countries. There are quite a few places that offers Chinese, Italians, or Thai foods. This is possible because the city is diverse and has a good and strong connection with the international world.
How often do you eat typical foods from other countries?
Usually, I eat international foods once or twice a month. I enjoy the new flavors and cooking methods. However, I don't do it very frequently because the local Bangladeshi foods are essential for my diet.
Have you ever tried to making foods from other countries?
Yes, I once tried making pizza at home. I wanted to do this because I'm interested in cooking and enjoy exploring different cuisines. However, although the pizza didn't turn out exactly like the ones in restaurant, it was a fun and educational experience for me.
What food from your country would you prefer to people from another countries?
I would recommend people from different countries to try biryani. Um, it's a flavorful and aromatic dish that is prepared differently in various regions of Bangladesh. I believe that this dish will give foreigners the various tastes and spices, and it will also give them a good introduction about our culinary culture.